Shown here is a Spectra tubing on top of a thin rubber tube that's just under the inner diameter of the Spectra ribbon that I can easily slide multiple pieces when cut, in this case 20 millimeters long. I have a little angle at the end that I can easily slide the tubing on and then cut it. There's a screwdriver there that just goes right inside of the end of that. It's the right diameter to just slide in, which allows me to be able to very easily slide the tubing onto the screwdriver, which is important for this step. You grab your Spectra and slide it on, put on some super glue or fray stop, slide over your little tubing, and you're gonna coat the inside of the very end, not the whole inside, just about millimeter and a half at the very end. And you're gonna continue to do that on the other side. Continue to rotate that around, making sure it doesn't get stuck on the metal. And then when you're done, you're just simply going to slide this off into your pile and you're all done. Next, we're going to take the piece of Spectra breastplate we just created and splice it onto our Spectra ribbon. Fold the Spectra in half, and using either a floss threader or a tiny piece of Spectra like I have here, thread it onto the Spectra. And then you're able to attach the loop end to the front of your transmitter, the other side to the back, and you're done.